Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
A ticking noise in your car, despite it running smoothly, is often attributed to valve lash, fuel injectors, or even a low oil level. Valve lash adjustments or checking the oil level can often resolve this issue. It's important to address these sounds promptly, as they could indicate minor issues now, but potentially lead to more significant problems if ignored. Regular maintenance checks are recommended to keep your vehicle in optimal condition.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.